CodeStepper is a groundbreaking educational tool that teaches programming, artificial intelligence, and computer science concepts while keeping screen time to a minimum. Parents and educators are searching for balance. How do we teach kids 21st century skills without overwhelming them with more screen time? Academic studies conclusively prove that reading from printed sources, compared to screens, leads to greater comprehension and longer-lasting retention. That's exactly where CodeStepper shines. The CodeStepper machine itself is built on an important concept in theoretical computer science: the Moore machine, a type of finite state machine. CodeStepper isn't just a gadget, it's rooted in the very models that shaped computer science. CodeStepper arrives as a build-it-yourself kit, inviting students to assemble the very machine they'll use to explore coding concepts. Building it themselves turns the learning journey into an active experience, strengthening fine motor skills, sharpening spatial reasoning, and creating a personal connection to the Moore machine design that powers CodeStepper. By constructing the tool first, learners gain pride of ownership and a deeper understanding of how the mechanics and logic behind their new coding companion fit together. So how can you teach coding without a screen? CodeStepper minimizes screen time while students read about concepts, study examples, and interactively step through project programs using our patented mechanism and interchangeable lesson cards. Then, once they understand each lesson, they move to the computer to type in the program and run it. And here's the key: typing it in matters. Instead of copy and paste, students build muscle memory and synapse connections, linking what they read on CodeStepper with what they practice on the keyboard. It's a powerful way to truly learn coding. And now more than ever, these skills are essential. In today's AI-saturated world and the future racing toward us, computer science and coding are no longer optional. They're the keys to creativity, control, and opportunity. The next generation must learn to master these skills, because if they don't dominate technology, they risk being ruled by it. CodeStepper helps ensure they're prepared not just to use AI, but to stand above it. CodeStepper, step into coding.